Tommy felt something tiny on his nose. But when he looked up, the sky changed.
Ready for some sunshine?
Yay, sun! It's so warm! Whee! That's it, my loves!
Here are some more pancakes for you, sweetie.
Wow, thanks, Mom! Hee Puppy wants some too! Look, Mia, so many birds! They're so pretty! Wow, they're flying away! Yay, more milk, please!
Perfect, Tommy. Look at the sparkles.
All done!
Here you go, my loves. Fresh fruit.
Wow, red apple! Yummy, Mommy! I'll get this table nice and clean, and I'll fold the napkins. Here I come! Yay, faster! Go get it! Here you go, buddy! He loves it! Your turn to water. Okay! Hey, Cookie! Whoop, whoop! Go get it! Ready to splash? Yeah, let's go! This is so fun! The best! Yay! So, again! Me too! Whee! The umbrella is spinning! So many splashes! Faster, puppy! This is the best!
Here are some nice warm towels for you.
Thank you, Mommy!
There you go, all snug.
So warm! Shh, he's napping. He's so cute when he sleeps. Sweet dreams, little buddy.
And the little puppy found his way home.
Wow, a puppy! Yay!
Yes, he was very brave. And as they dreamed, the sky filled with magic.
Wow!
Look at the clouds.
And the flying shapes! And then I flew high in the sky. So high! With my arms out wide, like this!
Dinner's ready.
Yay, spaghetti! It smells so good!
Someone's excited.
And then the puppy chased his tail super fast!
What a wonderful story, sweetie.
And then I jumped in the puddle! Wow! It made a huge splash!
That sounds fun.
Tommy, look, a rainbow! Whoa, it's so pretty!
It's beautiful, sweetie.
Yeah!
Who's a good puppy? Here's a treat.
Wow, look at Mars! And there's the moon! Almost done, Mia? Yep, your turn for the sink. Okay, I'm rinsing now. Bedtime! Once upon a time, there was a brave little puppy. Like our puppy, Justly went on an adventure.
Good night, my loves.
Good night, Mom. Good night.